What if I told you that the machine gathering dust in your basement could be the key to unlocking superhuman endurance and burning fat like never before? Most people think treadmills are boring torture devices, but elite athletes have been secretly using them for Zone 2 training to build an aerobic base that makes them nearly unstoppable. Here's the thing that blows my mind. While everyone's obsessing over high-intensity workouts and crushing themselves in the gym, the world's best endurance athletes spend 80% of their training time in what scientists call Zone 2. And the treadmill might just be the perfect tool to master this game-changing training method. So what exactly is Zone 2 training? Think of it as the sweet spot where your body becomes a fat-burning machine while building incredible aerobic capacity. It's that pace where you can still hold a conversation, but you're definitely working. Your heart rate sits at about 60 to 70% of your maximum, and here's where it gets interesting. At this intensity, your muscles are primarily fueled by fat rather than carbohydrates. But here's what most people get wrong about Zone 2. They think it's too easy to be effective. They see professional athletes jogging at what seems like a leisurely pace and assume they're just warming up. The reality is that these athletes understand something most fitness enthusiasts miss completely. Zone 2 training builds the foundation that allows for explosive performance when it matters most. Your body has two main energy systems. The aerobic system uses oxygen to burn fat and create steady, sustainable energy. The anaerobic system creates quick bursts of power but burns out fast and relies on stored carbohydrates. When you train in Zone 2, you're specifically targeting and strengthening your aerobic system, teaching your body to become incredibly efficient at using oxygen and burning fat for fuel. Now here's where the treadmill becomes your secret weapon. First, it gives you complete control over your pace. Unlike running outdoors where hills, wind, and terrain constantly change your effort level, the treadmill maintains perfectly consistent intensity. This precision is crucial for Zone 2 training because staying in that narrow heart rate range is what triggers the specific adaptations you're after. Think about it this way. When you're running outside, you might start a hill and suddenly spike into Zone 4 without realizing it, then coast down the other side and drop into Zone 1. These fluctuations prevent your body from getting the consistent stimulus it needs to build aerobic capacity. The treadmill eliminates these variables completely. The second massive advantage is weather independence. Zone 2 training requires consistency over months and years to see real results. When it's pouring rain, snowing, or blazing hot outside, that treadmill is always ready. This reliability means you can stick to your training plan regardless of external conditions, which is absolutely critical for building the aerobic base that transforms your fitness. Here's something fascinating that happens during Zone 2 training. Your body starts producing more mitochondria, which are literally the powerhouses of your cells. More mitochondria means more capacity to use oxygen and burn fat. You're essentially upgrading your body's engine at the cellular level. This process takes time and consistency, which is exactly what the treadmill provides. But there's an even deeper benefit that most people never consider. Zone 2 training on a treadmill allows you to multitask in ways that outdoor training simply can't match. You can watch educational content, listen to audiobooks, or catch up on shows while your body is undergoing this incredible transformation. This makes the time investment feel productive rather than just physically demanding. The psychological aspect is huge too. Zone 2 training requires you to resist the urge to go harder, which builds incredible mental discipline. The treadmill forces you to confront this challenge head-on because you can't accidentally speed up on a downhill or get carried away by adrenaline. You have to learn patience and trust the process, which translates to better decision-making in all areas of life. Now let's talk about fat burning, because this is where Zone 2 training becomes truly remarkable. At higher intensities, your body shifts to burning primarily carbohydrates because they provide quicker energy. But in Zone 2, you're training your body to become a more efficient fat-burning machine. This doesn't just help with body composition, it creates sustained energy levels throughout the day. Here's how to implement this on your treadmill. Start with a 5-minute warm-up at an easy pace. Then find a speed where your breathing is elevated but you could still maintain a conversation. If you're wearing a heart rate monitor, aim for 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. The key is consistency over intensity. Most beginners should start with 20 to 30-minute sessions and gradually build up to 45 minutes or longer. The magic happens when you can maintain this pace for extended periods without feeling exhausted. Your body is literally rewiring itself to become more efficient. The beauty of treadmill Zone 2 training is that it's sustainable long-term. Unlike high-intensity workouts that leave you depleted, Zone 2 sessions should leave you feeling energized and accomplished. This positive feedback loop makes it easier to stick with the program and see the incredible adaptations that develop over time. So before you dismiss that treadmill as boring, remember that some of the world's most successful athletes use this exact approach to build the aerobic foundation that supports their peak performance. Zone 2 training might just be the missing piece in your fitness journey, and the treadmill could be your perfect partner in unlocking this powerful training method.